Painting and restoring your cabinets is a quick, cost-effective way to breathe new life into your living spaces. The team at ELCO Painting provides a full range of painting services to give your home a fresh look and feel. Here's what you can expect when ELCO Painting is part of your kitchen renovation project. Our 5-step process ensures you'll be enjoying your new and improved kitchen in just a few days. At ELCO, protecting your valuables and furniture is a top priority. We remove all cabinet doors and drawer fronts and bring them to our clean and controlled workshop in North Kingstown. After prepping the kitchen area, we paint your cabinets with a clean, even finish. Meanwhile, at the shop, your cabinet doors are inspected, sanded, and prepared for a trip to our state-of-the-art spray room. Each door is sprayed to ensure a smooth finish and clean drying environment. After a thorough inspection, we reinstall the doors, clean the area, and return your kitchen space back to you with a fresh new look and feel. For the fastest, cleanest, and finest finishes available, call ELCO Painting today.